Now to some wild video of people being rescued from I-90 during the storms. This happened last night in Lakewood. Wow, you can see emergency crews battling the rain and flooding to get these people to safety. Our Kaitor K spoke with ODOT and Lakewood Police about what happened and what is being done to fix it. Kaitor, good evening to you.
Good evening, Russ. So ODOT wants to remind the community to please not drive into high waters. And along with that advice, they do have some upcoming solutions to the intense flooding that keeps happening here.
911 emergency.
Hi, my name is Danielle. I am stalled out in the middle of 90.
Looking more like a river than a highway, emergency responders rushed to I-90 in Lakewood Wednesday night.
Head to 90 westbound by McKinley. Multiple calls of vehicles stalled out in the middle of the highway.
Lakewood Police tells us 10 people from 7 different vehicles were rescued from the high waters.
What I found was so unique was the depth of the water on the car going almost up to the window, and then seeing the Lakewood Fire Department professionally remove people, put them in small boats, it looked like from a distance looking at the video, and getting them to safety.
ODOT calling this part of I-90 a problem spot. Back on July 20th, severe weather also flooded the highway, as seen here. A hubcap blocked a drainage pipe and caused backup. They told us they'll be adding new mesh screens in the pipes to keep debris like this out. But Wednesday's flooding was caused by the intensity of the rain.
Yesterday was the amount of water that we received in a short period of time. We received about an inch of rain in about 15 minutes, and no drainage system along any roadway is designed to handle that much water that quickly. It simply just backed up the drainage system.
ODOT also plans to update the drainage system, which was constructed back in the 1960s. They'll be modernizing the concrete and pipes starting in 2024. ODOT says the drainage system overhaul should take about 4 years to complete, but in the meantime, they'll be more closely monitoring the pipes here to ensure there are no more backups. Russ.
Okay, Kaitor K, thank you.